What is CORS and how does it affect REST APIs? Have you ever wondered how your web applications communicate with different servers? This is where cross-origin resource sharing, often referred to as CORS, comes into play. CORS is a security feature that helps manage how web browsers interact with resources from different domains. It uses HTTP headers to specify which external domains are allowed to access resources on a web server. An origin is defined by the combination of a domain, protocol, and port. By default, web browsers enforce a same origin policy. This means that a web application running on one origin cannot request resources from another origin. This policy is in place to protect users from malicious activities. When it comes to REST API development, CORS is essential for allowing web applications hosted on different domains to securely interact with APIs. For instance, if a JavaScript application running in a browser tries to access a REST API from another domain, the browser first sends a Preflight request using the HTTP options method. This Preflight request checks if the server permits the actual request method, such as GET or POST, and what headers can be used. The server then responds with specific CORS headers. One of the most important is access control allow origin, which indicates which origins are allowed to access the resource. If the server's response includes the correct CORS headers, the browser will proceed with the actual REST API request. If not, the browser will block the request, preventing access to the resource. This mechanism is vital for protecting users from unauthorized requests that could lead to data leaks or security issues. In the context of REST API development, especially when using Go programming, developers need to configure their API servers to include the correct CORS headers. This configuration specifies which client domains can access the API, what HTTP methods are allowed, and whether credentials like cookies or HTTP authentication can be included. Without proper CORS configuration, web applications may struggle to communicate with REST APIs due to browser-enforced restrictions. CORS acts as a gatekeeper, controlling cross-origin requests initiated by web browsers. It enables secure sharing of resources between different origins, which is essential for modern web applications that often separate front-end interfaces and back-end APIs across domains. Understanding and configuring CORS correctly is key to ensuring that REST APIs are accessible to authorized clients while maintaining security boundaries. So, whether you are developing a new web application or working on an existing one, make sure to pay attention to CORS settings to facilitate smooth and secure interactions with your REST APIs.